Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share with you the common requests as to my experience of the students. So in their profile, they usually put their request or special request. So the common thing that I usually see from the student profile is that correct my grammar mistake. It's either correct my grammar mistakes or correct my pronunciation. So I usually see that as their request, commonly request of those students. So another one is that gives me a lot of speaking time or please ask me lots of questions. So there are students who requests for that they want to have enough time to speak or talk, and then they wanted to be asked a lot of questions. So usually it differs from one student to another, but this is the common request that I see. So if you see that kind of request, you might as well prepare for follow-up questions from, though in the lesson or topic, there are questions already prepared that you can easily use during your class or discussion. But it's also good that you have prepared or you have in mind follow-up questions that you have in case you will encounter these students whose request is please give me lots of questions or give me a lot of speaking time. So in BISMATES, they usually have this rule of 80-20, wherein 80% of the time is allotted for the student to speak or be the one talking, and 20% is allotted for the trainer or facilitator to discuss or facilitate the lesson topic. So that's the 80-20 rule. And the last common thing that I usually see in the request is also use the chat box a lot. So that is something very common that you see in the students' request as using the chat box a lot. So for me, this is one thing that is very hard or difficult for me because it's hard for me to multitask, like you are listening or discussing something at the same time, typing something when you are correcting or rewriting the sentence that the student made, or there is the mistake from the student sentence, like for example the common thing that I hear, that so when you ask them how are they, and then yeah, I'm fine, so I just go back home, and then when you correct that, you should you said I just go back home, you can say I went back home 30 minutes ago. So while saying that, you should be able to type it so that the student can see it in the chat box. For example, he or she missed it while you are saying, at least he or she can see it in the chat box so that she can see the correction of go and then when, because it's finished already. So aside from that, with the pronunciation, for example, the student said, like, you have there the topic, the genre. So maybe the student said genre, and then you can say, you pronounce it as genre, and then at the same time, you should be chatting the correct, writing it in the chat box, the correct pronunciation of the word genre. You can also put the meaning of the word as soon as, or as needed, if you think that the student don't know the meaning, or if the student asks, what does that mean? So you can put that. Yeah, those are just some few things, few tips that I can share with you with regards to students' request that I see commonly in their profile. It's correct my grammar or correct my pronunciation, give me a lot of time of speaking time, or ask me a lot of question, and then use the chat box a lot. So you can use that in the future if you're planning to teach, or if you're teaching already. You can add some of the common requests of your students when you are, if you are teaching in other company or with Bismates, then what are the common requests of your students that would be helpful for other trainers or tutors as well. So thank you so much for your time. See you in the next one.